What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're going to go over Bitcoin, get into some juicy news, as well as a little bit of price analysis. So we're sitting at 38,395. We're up about 1% on the day. We're seeing market cap of 742 billion, 24 volume 24.27 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So a little bit of cute, fun news here. So Mama Bitcoin, fishing for female empowerment within crypto in West Africa. So a Senegalese woman is empowering her community with Bitcoin blockchain and a Bitcoin bakery idea that became a crypto fishery. So basically what she's doing is she's allowing people to pay with Bitcoin in Senegal, and she's really trying to create a crypto movement in Senegal and West Africa, which I think is really cool. There are quite a lot of traders, crypto traders here in Africa. So I thought that was a neat little story. If you want to get more into it, you definitely can. It's over here on Cointelegraph. So we'll jump into this next article. So Bitcoin is pure gold mathematics, says Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak. So Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak has offered effusive praise on Bitcoin, saying that it is pure gold mathematics in an interview with Business Insider. So Wozniak has offered praise on Bitcoin on multiple occasions, often saying that it was impressive as a technology. In July 2021, he had similar remarks, saying that Bitcoin was a mathematical miracle and that it is better than gold. He is reported to have bought Bitcoin when it was about $700, though there is no information on his total holdings. Basically, he's probably a millionaire just off crypto alone. But awesome to see such a big name, one of the Apple co-founders, so bullish on cryptocurrency, a major believer in the space. And the article also talks about Bitcoin being the currency of the internet. Jack Dorsey certainly seems to think so, having also called it the cryptocurrency of the internet. One more little article here. So Bitcoin's long bear streak has a silver lining. So Jake Gordon, Bespoke Investment Group analyst, has noted that Bitcoin may be close to bottoming, given how it has remained below the 200-day moving average. Typically, Bitcoin tends to generate significant returns after staying below the aforementioned MA for a prolonged period of time. Bespoke Investment Group has established that the average return after at least a 50-day bear streak is roughly 31%. The average annual return stands at an impressive 226%. So basically what it's saying is after each 50-day bearish trend, after every bearish trend that's longer than 50 days, there's an average yearly return of an impressive 226%. After 50 days of bearish price action or more, as you can see here, Bitcoin went up 151% within 1 year's time. 2015, again, it went up 148%. In 2019, it went up 35%. In 6 months, it went up 71%. In 3 months, it went up 121%. So then it started to come back down. 2020, 225%. 2020, again, 508%. So we have now had the longest streak. Bitcoin has been sitting below the 200 moving average for 70 consecutive days, one of the longest streaks on record. So if history is going to repeat itself within 12 months time, we could have anywhere from 100 to 226% increase on BTC, which would be absolutely massive for the altcoins. So let's jump into the analysis. The price hasn't moved much. I noticed a bit of a descending broadening wedge, and we're just starting to break out with a bullish divergence, lower lows, higher lows on the 4-hour time frame. We are continuing to hold the support of the golden ratio. So if this plays out, guys, this bullish divergence, we get back above the EMAs, we're going to come up to these levels of resistance, 40.8, 41.9. I did notice a hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. We created a beautiful higher low on the weekly while creating a lower low on the RSI, as well as on the MACD and the money flow. So we have 3 hidden divergences on 3 separate indicators. As you can see here, I had popped it open. Oh, did I close it, guys? So one of your hidden divergences, the bullish one, what happens is you create a higher low while your indicators are creating a lower low. And it's an early indication of a breakout back to the upside. So as you can see here, lower low on the RSI, as well as the MACD and as well as as on the money flow. So that is a bullish sign here on the weekly chart. If we pop over to our next chart, the Bitcoin long positions, still seeing a beautiful increase. We do have that bearish divergence as I've been mentioning. However, we are seeing the shorts start to pick up. As I mentioned, the RSI was down on the floor, and that's usually when you see the shorts start to increase once again, and that's exactly what has happened. The shorts are starting to pick up, so do keep a close eye on that. The DXY is falling as expected. We did have that bearish divergence as well as a smaller bearish divergence, higher highs while creating lower highs, and we're starting to see a little bit of drop off. So what we want to see for the DXY is we come back down and fall back into this rising wedge pattern, bit of a bullish fake out for the DXY, and then we break down and come back down to the bottom of the rising wedge and see a huge breakout for Bitcoin. Because if we can simply hold the EMAs, hold support for the DXY, we bounce back to the upside, that's quite negative for BTC. So what we want to see is the DXY falls back into this pattern, breaks down, and we can see a nice push back to the upside for our friend BTC. So in the short term, for your levels of support and resistance, the golden ratio at 38.2K. If we lose that level, guys, we do have some support coming in at about 37,000. As you can see here, we had support right here, support here as well. Some support and resistance in this area. If we lose that, then the 0.786, 36.5, the previous low at about 34.5K. But we do have a beautiful bullish divergence. So hopefully we can break out here, get back above the EMAs, head up for the technical target of our descending broadening wedge at about 39.6, and then 40.8K, 41.9 thousand for BTC. That's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,800 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades, on the channel, as well as buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your positions, or you're looking for entries and exits based off support and resistance, Fibonacci 350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.